For the first queries, this queries is designed to retrieve usernames, user types, and the total quantity they have deposits. It involves two tables. First, person, alias as P, and deposition, alias as D. The tables are joined based on the user ID column, which appears to be a common identifier in both tables. First one, select PU name and PU type. Is It specifies the column to be included in the result. Second, sum the quantity as total deposit quantity. It calculates the total deposit quantity of each user. Third, from person P, it specifies the table involved in the query. Fourth, join disposition D on P user ID equal to D user ID. It combines row from both tables based on the common user ID. And then lastly, group by P, uname, PU type. This group is the result by username and user type, allowing the calculation of the total deposit quantity of each user. For the second queries, these queries retrieve information about beans, their locations, and the corresponding emptying processes. It involves three tables. Firstly, tables bean, alias as B. Second, table notification, alias as N. And lastly, table emptying process, alias as EP. These tables are joined using the bean ID and notification ID columns. As you can see in the second queries, we use select to specify the column to be included in the result. For the end and that as notification date, it means it renames the end that column from the notification table to notification date. For the EP EM date as emptying date, it renames the EM date column from the emptying process to the emptying date. We use from to specify the table involved in the query. For lastly, join emptying EP on and notification ID equal to EP notification ID. It means we used to combine rows from the tables based on the common column.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Saifuddin and I will explain the third query. In the third query, we want to retrieve the username and their remaining wallet coins. In this query, we are using join. We are joining the wallet and the person table based on their user ID to match each person with their current wallet, and their result will be like this. There will be their username, their user type, their current point, and their accumulate point. Next, we will go to the first query. In the first query, we want to get user with their transaction type and remaining amount. In this query, we will also use join, which is the transaction and the person based on their user ID. But in this query, we have filter, which is where the transaction remain is more than 0. The result will show their name, the type of the transaction, and the remaining. if only the remaining is more than 0. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. And for my part, I will show you how to calculate the average rating of the feedbacks. To do so, we will select the attributes from the table feedback, and those attributes are F program effective, F platform effective, F quality, and F impact. And to do so, we will um, go select average, put the attribute name, and we will rename them as average program effective, average platform effective, average quality, and average impact. And after inputting, we will get that we will get the results, which are 2 for the average program effective, 2.07 for average platform effective, 2.64 for the average quality, and 0.7 for the average impact.